Alright guys, it was a pleasure to come here and showcase this wonderful restaurant and show you guys some of the amazing breakfast. We talk about what? Salt mackerel rundown.
Ackee and saltfish.
Ackee and saltfish.
Fresh callaloo.
Fresh callaloo.
Fresh okra and saltfish. You know, we have the liver, we have the kidney also.
Guys, where can you go in the morning?
Fried dumpling, breadfruit. Oh God, that's like the man.
Oh God. Guys, where can you go at a restaurant and find all of these amazing food? One day, in one day, you can get all of it. You need to come at Spotlight Kitchen. Yes, come and check it out because trust me guys, you won't be disappointed because this morning you see when I tried the salt mackerel rundown, A1, A1, yeah. And right now guys, this is the closing of the video. Yes, I want you all to come down here and come support. Yeah man, come support and come check it out and come try the food. And when you come and try it, leave it in the comment and tell